Hello everyone, I'm Jay with AV News and we are at Key West for the Korea International Medical and Hospital Equipment Show. It's their 40th anniversary here at COEX. So much to do, so much to see. Let's go and check it out. Over here? Am I coming in the right area? Are we back for the same round two? Jay again.
Hi Jay. Hi
Doctor, how are you?
Hi. So what we're going to do today here is actually showing you the second set.
Okay.
Well, this is the machine of decompression.
Okay.
So we've used this machine quite a bit. So as you can see right now with this patient over here is that they're laid on their back, and what they're doing is decompression of their low back right now. Now this actually focuses on the spine here, and it decompresses the spine really, really well.
Okay.
And what you can do is basically we've actually seen a lot of patients and stuff like that have the disc herniations go back inside really, really well. So the difference between this decompression versus a lot of decompression, you can see in terms of the motion-wise, there's actually quite a bit of some tilting and also rotation as well too. Because we all understand not everything is just one linear effect. Right. Everything is in a 3D effect as well too. Okay, so with this patient at the moment, we have him with the neck as well too. This can also do neck as well, but this mainly focuses on low back at the moment here. So the difference between this, Shinwa Medical Company has actually been ahead of its time really well. The good thing about this company is that this machine here already started stuff with AI effects. Okay. And the reason why there's a TV here, they actually shows quite a bit of some graphic, not at the moment here, just some TV. It actually shows the difference between the muscles and also the spine itself. And every time that the patient is done a treatment, what happens is that there's actually a really good protocol and showing what is going on as well too. So once the patient's done, you ask them how they feel, you can see the results, and then as time progresses, the patients say, I feel really good. And you can actually see that on the graph as well too. Okay. And then so we're here, we can have something coming down here.
If the camera can swing around, you guys can see his intuitive screen over here of how the whole machine is being operated.
So usually with this screen here, it controls a lot of the effects here. So at the moment, we don't have anything showing here, but there's a graph here that will show every time a patient is done their treatment, that actually show in terms of how the progress is going. So the patient will ask you ask them how do you feel? They're like, oh, I don't feel very good. And you can actually tell from the graph itself. And so this is how we can show if we need to increase the amount of decompression or do we need to lower the amount of decompression in the system itself as well too. But most of the time, this machine here, after a certain amount of visits and a certain amount of time, the decompression, when you do a pre and post MRI, the disc goes back in really, really well here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so depending on this right now is actually at a really easy setting. So you can see in terms of here, they're actually the thoracic spine, which is the mid-spine portion, is actually going left and right. And we're doing some decompression at the moment a little bit. But before we do decompression, this this stretching motion actually helps the patient relax quite a bit as well too. Okay. And so this machine is, I would say, to be honest with you, it was all ahead of its time before some of the American machines I've tried back in the past as well too. So yeah, this is just a great machine. Just for
like the state-of-the-art expert version of spine therapy.
Oh yeah. Okay. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much again for your time. Really appreciate it. I swear you warped over here. I think you came here faster than I did. Thank you so much. Have a great exhibition.